AMCS Fleet Maintenance, purpose-built software for heavy-duty, high-complexity fleets. If you're running industrial fleets, simple software isn't built for your world. And sleek interfaces might look nice, but for heavy-duty operations, simple often means incomplete. Missing functionality, limited detail, and costly workarounds for everyday tasks. What if you could track assets down to the individual parts? Engine, body, chassis, and attachments as separate components, each with their own maintenance schedule. AMCS is built for high-frequency maintenance, rigorous compliance, and heavy asset complexity. Every part, every purchase order, every work hour accounted for through standard coding, giving your finance team a granular view of fleet health, no manual reconciliation required. Automated warranty recovery flags parts and initiates claims without manual entry, recovering costs that simpler software misses. On the shop floor, work orders, fault logs, inventory, and purchase orders are all accessible in the palm of your hand. This helped the team at Miller Waste Systems cut technician processing times by over 97%. Route optimization, telematics integration, vehicle status details, and fleet maintenance, all on one platform, one database with real-time data sync and zero multi-app workarounds. If your fleet demands specialist tools, AMCS has what you need.